All right, so here are your step-by-step instructions on how to appeal your property taxes with DeKalb County. I'm going to share my screen. I have done this before. So we are going to go to DeKalb County ga.gov/ property appraisal / welcome. Now, if that's too hard to find, type in DeKalb County property tax appeal. Just type that into search. It should pull it up here. We're going to go to property search and values. And then right here, it says, check your property assessment, use your property search tools to file an online appeal. This is what we want. So we're going to hit search here. And now it's going to ask us for our home. So we're going to type in your address, search, there I am. Oops, went too fast. There I am. I click on my name. All right, so property search. I am just going to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And right here, it says click here to file an online appeal. I'm going to click here to file the appeal. It takes me to this website, and I'm going to click appeal of real property value. And I'm going to hit begin filing. Now, I'm going to take a step back. Step back. Okay, so when I click appeal, it takes me to the SmartFile website. Let me sign out. When I click appeal, it takes me to the SmartFile website. I already have an account, so it logged me in. If you don't have an account and you've never done this before, you're going to need to click new user, create an account. And then you're just going to create your account, enter your information in, and go from there. Okay. So I'm going to log in as me now. Ugh, always forget my password. All right. So I'm going to log into me, appeal property value, begin filing. I type in my name, type in my address. Find parcel. See. Now, all right, there I am. So it's going to ask for your PIN number. Your PIN number is going to be the access code on the bottom left of your paper. When I first filed, I couldn't find mine. I was going crazy, but it's the access code here on the bottom right corner of your flyer. So I'm going to type in my PIN. I hit authorize. Oh man. So I might have an old form. I've already appealed my taxes, but this will get you through the rest of it. You click here and then you complete your appeal. So I hope that was helpful. Show me some love, follow, like, comment below with how this was helpful or not helpful to you. Have a great day.